Hey, this your boy E White. All right, so let's check this out. I'm looking at XRP, USD, and I'm on a daily chart, and I want to pick up some patterns. All right, so I'm a contrarian trader, so I'm also looking at historical patterns. So we're gonna go all the way back here to the historical start point of XRP around August 4th, 2013, on the screen right here. All right, so let's actually go to a bigger screen so you guys can have a better look. And if you hear my children in the background, don't mind them. I am not editing this video, so you're going to get it raw and uncut. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to focus on some of the impulses that we see in the market. So let's use this tool. All right, so this is one of our first major impulses right here. All right, so we cleared. We move to the upside. We think we're great, right? We're good. All right, we get a pull back here, but we really didn't, cover this particular wick. All right, so then we get another impulse into the market. All right, so look, we're doing pretty good. We're moving up, making some higher highs, right? All right, bam, we got it. Now let's check. Let's just check this out. Okay, so we're back here. What is 2013? All right, it's December 2013. All right, price gets up here. We pull all the way back, all right, and then we get down here, okay? But remember, you think you're clear, right? So I want you guys to really look at this. Whenever you see something like this, you may think to yourself, and it can happen on a lot of different assets, right? We get an impulsive move, we move on up, and we could just keep trending on up, and we never see these prices ever again. But crypto is a little different. And if you be patient and you understand this game, you're not in a hurry, all right, trying to just rush into the market and think that you just missed the boat. Bam, what happened? Boom, this price, it comes back down to this area. All right, so what we can do is I could put a support line right there so you can see. All right, see that? Bam. All right, so we got this now. What happens? Someone's buying up here, but they didn't buy down here. All right, and they think the train has left, so they're gonna put everything and sold off their house, whatever, mortgage, second mortgage, whatever, right? They're here, then the fear just, oh my God, it just destroys them. Okay, what happens now? They sell. All right, they sell down here instead of adding, they sell. All right, okay, so we got that. So what we'll do is we're gonna put a line. We're gonna put a line up here so we can represent because we way back in time. All right, here we go. Look for no. Okay, here we go. We got another. We got a nice little impulsive move. All right, we're moving. We're good. We got somebody else that maybe what? I'm gonna miss out. I'm gonna miss out. All right. So let's just throw up our eclipse. Yeah, I want to flip this around. Let's do that. Let's do this. All right, got that. Okay, let's keep going. And we'll keep this line here for that. All right, here we go. We got another spike. We're good to go, right? We think hey, we're going up. We're going up. All right. A lot of people think they're going to miss out. Okay. All right. What do we have? We have, all right, price comes back down. It clears back out. All right. Gives everybody else another second opportunity. All right. So let's crunch this over some more. All right. Here we go. All right. Now, here we go again. We have what? Bam. We got another one here. Spike up. All right. We're clearing. Now you be like, Eric, this one hadn't been cleared yet. Well, we're getting close, right? We down here. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting close. All right. I'm just gonna speed this up, and here we go. Right here. This is 2017, and we cleared. Right. I mean, this right here. Let's do this. All right. Here we go. That right there. All right. This, so this is 2000, December 2017, and we had the spike. It started in July 2014. It's 3 years. Now, that's a long time, right? But I'm not going to tell somebody you just need to wait for something to come back here. What I'm saying is that you have to understand when you're dealing with crypto, you're dealing with a market with inefficiencies. It's not efficient enough yet. It doesn't have the institutional grade players to the table to sustain. These big, huge moves up and down is because of a lack of liquidity. There's not enough buyers and not enough sellers at different price levels, so price is going to move all crazy like this. All right. So if you understand that, guess what? Right now, there's not a lot of institutions that we think they're there. We still got a lot of regulation, not a lot of clarity. Even though the SEC took a defeat, that doesn't mean that everything is just clear, right? We still need strong regulation, and that is coming. That's coming, right? But look what happened. That got it cleared it. What I mean by clear, guys, is that we see an impulse. Okay, we think we're going, and we will. We probably will go higher. I'm just saying probably, but we will go higher. And then what happens? We get this pullback. These are opportunities, guys. Stop coming in thinking that I missed it, I missed it, I missed it. Like, no, be patient. We're in a illiquid. The liquidity. This market does not have the liquidity that you think. There will come a time, and I believe that we will be coming to that time soon, that you won't get these type of pullbacks and opportunities, and we will stair step a lot higher. Okay. Now, these is for these type of assets. I hadn't done all the assets like this. This is just for XRP. I'm just doing some studying, historical analysis on it, and I found that. All right. Here we go. We finally crossed over here. We had some rejection. It served as a resistance. Again, for what we drawn up right here. Okay, this was back in December 2013, and then we got rejected again by April 2017. All right, we pushed down, and then finally we make a move back up. All right, okay, we got that move. What happens? Everybody now, we're good to go. We're up here. We're good to go, right? You know, we at 47 cent. We done been at 0.003 when we first came out. We good. And then bam, 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 bam. And then this nasty wick, which was a manipulated wick. All right. This is a liquidity grab. Something came down here and grabbed something that was left when it burst out of the scene down here. All right, it came down here and it collected all these orders, and then it moved and rallied. But once again, this whole entire move, we can take our ellipse. All of this was just what? Covered, right? Covered by that, right? Okay, let's keep it moving. All right. And then everybody know what happened in 2018. All right, we had this massive rally up. All right, so we good. And what happens? We have a what? Clearing. All right, it's clearing. Okay. We have a rally clear. Somebody right here, would have missed the boat again, and then bam. And then what happens? These people who buy right here, they're selling down here because they think it's a psychology all over. And everybody who's watching this, I mean, if you new to trading, of course, you may not understand the psychology of the markets, but of course, it got different stages. And I'm not going to go over that, but I recommend any of you guys to go look at. You can Google the psychological stages of the market, and it'll show you. All right, like you got euphoria, you got fear, you got all that stuff, optimistic, whatever, right? A lot of people bought right here, but did not buy down here. I got XRP at 0.006 cents. So you definitely know I was sitting pretty when it was up here, right? I'm definitely not buying. I would never buy no XRP at that price point. All right. Look here. Spike clearing. All right. See how this clearing is coming down, basically giving another opportunity to load. All right. Nobody should be buying on these breakouts. Everybody want to buy on a breakout. And you continue to see throughout the chart that they have a lot of times that these breakouts are failing. All right, so we're getting back. Let's see where we at. All right, so where we at now? We in 20. Here we go. We got another one. Spike. What am I trying to do? Stop. There we go. All right. Clear. All right. Came back in. We call it supply demand zone, whatever. It's demand zone. It's back, right? All right. Let's do this. All right. We gotta move up. Same thing. We got a what? Parabolic type of move. And we got that we're dealing with. And let's see. All right, so we got this, and then what happens? Y'all see it, same pattern, clear. Same thing here. You see what we're doing? We're going through all through the years. We're gonna start at 2013. All right, we're back here. All right, and we got it clearing. All right, that's happening. You see it, we're clearing these levels. All right, see it again, over and over again. You see it, spike, clear. All right, spike. Let's see what's happening right here. We get a little close when we get to full clearing right here, but we got enough. And typically, what we like to do is just bring up our Fibonacci retracement level, and we definitely got like a 70, almost a 78% retracement level. That's pretty good, which means that 78% down from this level, right there, down from this level. So that means someone jumped in and bought right here. So y'all probably like, why is he doing this video? Well, guess what, guys? We got another what? We got another spike. And guess who been buying? Guess who? People who do not know any better. Somebody bought that or tried to. But why did it drop? It's because there's not enough buyers at that level. In fact, there are more sellers at this level than there were buyers. And that's why we have had a drop. All right. We're holding this level. All right. But we can range bound. We could possibly go back up. But if history has shown us anything, it look like we're going to inch our way back down into this area. And then do what? Find our way to inch up. So that's why I wanted to do this video to show is that although we see these spikes through XRP historical reference point, we also see that it has never lasted. It's never did a true spike close above to keep going. Basically, we haven't had that. All right, it's always a pullback. So we haven't seen. Well, let's go look at Bitcoin, and we may see something totally different, right? Or maybe not. We don't know. But let me go in here and look, and I got some levels that I already had drawn up. So y'all see some of my levels was hit. All right, let's go back on here, and let's see. Bitcoin may do the same thing. Who knows? Let's see. Let's look at this right here. This is 2017. Yeah, this is 2017. So we had a nice little spike up to this area. All right, and so let's block off this area right here. All right, and let's see if price comes back down in this area, and if not, we are good. Let's see where we at. Yeah, so Bitcoin has not got close, looked like it wanted to, but it never did. So this is what we want to start seeing with XRP is that once we have a rallying point, we don't want to see price come back down here. We want to see this. We want to see healthy here. We want to see how this level was respected. It's giving us a higher high and higher low. All right, we got that. Price came back down, retested these areas and went high. All right, we broke. We retested here. We got close back to retest. We didn't, but we held these levels. XRP right now is not holding any of those levels because they're having a liquidity issue. But more and more, when the bigger players come to the table, we will start seeing that with XRP. And then now you will start seeing a 10, 12, $13 type XRP in the future for that. All right. It's not financial advice. That's just my opinion, my analysis on that. But that's what you will be able to see. All right. You see down here, right here, we got this little spike. We get a pullback, but we don't come back down here and we don't see these levels right here. These levels are not seen anymore. All right, we start seeing so what higher highs, higher lows. We start retesting some areas. Bam, this is a key area. It got retested on Bitcoin. We're good to go. Okay, that's what we want to see. All right. Right now, we just don't have that on XRP. All right. So look, so if you enjoyed this type of analysis, all I'm saying is that what we may see for XRP, we still may drop a little bit, recalibrate, correct, and then we're gonna shoot a little higher. All right, we got some things that's coming up this week. We definitely tomorrow we got a new moon. All right, the new moon cycles do affect some of the crypto market. I can put that on there. Hold on for you. All right, so there you go. I got my moon indicators on here, and every time you see the green, that means it's a new moon. So we are in a new moon on the 17th. Of course, certain parts of the world are probably already in it, but we have sometimes we have issues breaking above that. It sort of acts like a resistance point. So we could see a little bit of downside pressure. And guess what? Sometimes it doesn't. Like right here, it did not. But if you go back through the charts, we had, price was suppressed down, price suppressed down, price suppressed down, price suppressed down, price right here, a little rally a little bit, and then it went up. I guess you could call this a little suppressed or consolidated. Same here. Press down, down, down. Sorry about that. I got distracted. Sorry about that. Anyway, press down, 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 down. Got some downwards, downwards. I get it. All right. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. That's on another video. All right. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe. It's your boy E White. Y'all be safe and always do your own research. I'm out.